Hello everyone, I will show you non-fire dahi ke balle. We want some water, curd, soap nuts, cumin seed powder, bread, imli chutney, red chili powder and salt. Now we will make this. We will get in water, not take out, and then press. Then kept some nuts and roll it. And then kept in sweet nuts. Now take out it. Then kept some jeera, imli chutney, then red chili powder, then some salt. Our dish is ready.